Learning outcomes and lesson summaries are written for each module in Alison courses. The learning outcomes is the first topic in each module, and the lesson or module summary is the final topic. The list of learning outcomes starts with an introductory sentence such as the following. After completing this module, you will be able to. The learning outcomes are presented as a list of sentences that explain to the learner what they will be able to do or know after completing the module. The learning outcomes can be presented as a bulleted list, with the module number in the title, as in the example shown. The learning outcomes list features approximately 4 to 7 sentences. This number of sentences is normally sufficient to present the learning outcomes for the module. Each sentence begins with an action verb, for example, discuss, define, explain, describe. This tells the learner what they will be able to do. It also complements or finishes the introductory sentence. An effective way to write learning outcomes is to edit the topic description text down to one sentence. The lesson or module summary is a presentation of the key learning points in the module. It is normally presented as a bulleted list with the module number in the title, as in the example shown. An effective way to write the lesson summary is to edit all the text in the module down to approximately 2 to 5 slides, depending on the amount of text in the module. This concludes the video tutorial on writing learning outcomes and lesson summaries in the Alison Publisher tool.